If you own a 1999 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra, the iBEAM Tailgate Handle Rearview Camera is a smart upgrade that combines style with safety. It replaces your factory tailgate handle with a matching textured piece that includes a built-in camera, so you get a clean, integrated look without bulky add-ons. What sets this camera apart is its crisp image quality, delivering 400 TV lines resolution. That means you get clear visuals, making it easier to spot obstacles behind your truck. Plus, the camera's 168-degree diagonal viewing angle covers the entire rear area, helping you avoid blind spots that can cause accidents. Reversing becomes simpler thanks to the defeatable parking lines, which provide guidance without cluttering your view. Whether you're backing into a tight spot or navigating a busy parking lot, these lines give you confidence and precision every time. The camera's 0.1 lux sensitivity ensures you're not left in the dark during low light conditions. Early mornings, dusk, or poorly lit areas won't compromise your visibility. This feature alone can make a big difference in preventing collisions when lighting isn't ideal. Installation is straightforward. The iBEAM handle swaps directly with your OEM handle, maintaining your truck's original look and feel. Some users recommend using 3M double-sided tape to secure it firmly, ensuring it stays put even on rough roads or lifted trucks. One satisfied owner shared how they integrated the camera with an Android 10-inch monitor, running it alongside other video outputs to record their drives. This setup not only improves safety but also adds convenience for monitoring and recording your trips. If you're looking for a reliable rearview camera that blends seamlessly with your Silverado or Sierra, this iBEAM tailgate handle is worth considering. It enhances rear visibility, reduces blind spots, and adds a subtle upgrade to your truck's appearance. Ready to improve your truck's safety and style? The iBEAM Tailgate Handle Rearview Camera offers clear images, easy installation, and practical features that matter on the road. Try it when you're ready to see the difference behind your vehicle.